Apologies again, I got cut off by the software. So, where we left off was analyzing or translating the material or the presentation of data and research to real world practice, collective knowledge gain, or let me spell this correctly, substantiating your thesis statement or substantiating claims being made. So, let's look at this example and I'll give you just kind of a template or a blanket template example. So we have everything else we need here. We have author, year, background and organizational affiliation of the researcher, more context with regards to the study, what the study aimed to do, the population here, the presentation or step 2 of the formula of data here, and then the next step is step 3, or analyzing or translating to real world practice. So we can say, as receiving blank, thus highlighting the need for more. This is a totally random example. Support services to accommodate and mitigate the need for blank. So it can be whatever you want it to be, whatever source material you have. The purpose of this is just to say this is the ultimate buy-in here. So you present the data, the context of the data, the organizational affiliation, any background context, the presentation of the numerical data, and then the buy-in of that data. It's very interesting if you mirror this with the template of a specific thesis statement. It's very simple, isn't it? It's very consistent. It's very interesting how all of these elements are very congruent in the needs for specificity, the needs for the order in which items are presented, which is dictated by style, but just take note of that. So I think that's it. I think all of these points highlight the common trends I'm seeing in your writing, covers our quick agenda for this video that I presented. I will probably continue to publish other videos as I continue to work with you all on your content. Again, just remember, we're all in this together. We're all trying to understand how to improve our academic tone, how to best translate in the highest credibility standard possible all of our research ideas. So I may pull from, all of your content and share collectively with a group, of course, anonymously, but I think it's important for us all to learn and see various examples of different writing styles. With that being said, I think this is the 5th video, so I am going to stop here. I may install other videos in this series just to help you as you prepare for the critical analysis. But just know, let me type this here so everyone can see it. Resources. Instructor. If I could type. I am your primary resource. Let me know if you have any questions whatsoever about any content. Of course, it's incumbent upon you to make sure you've watched all videos in the Canvas course, read all required readings, etc. If you have questions, please come to me. We can hop on a call, exchange emails, etc. Writing Center staff. I've mentioned this to a few of you all in our consultation sessions, but the director of the Writing Center staff works exclusively with graduate students. He actually teaches this course in the summer, so he's well accustomed and cognizant of the requirements of the course. He's a great resource, even if you just need another set of eyes to look at your content or your sources. Of course, reference librarians in the Ethel Smith Library. They can work with you virtually or in person, whichever suits you best. They can help you narrow down your search results, gain access to journals, databases that we may not have access to, and help you with the interlibrary loan system that you should all know about after our research consultation sessions. With all that being said, that's all I've got to say for now. I welcome your feedback. If you have any questions about any of this, let me know. Maybe we can start an open dialogue discussion board to discuss some of this. But for now, just know to reach out to me if you have any questions.